The idea for Spine Academy was really born around 2016. By that point, I had already been teaching residents and fellows complex spine surgery for 7 years. One of the things that I noticed all around us was that things were blowing up online in terms of educational content. Online courses were widely available. You could pretty much learn how to do anything online. But oddly, there wasn't a lot of content for spine surgery. So the real motivations for Spine Academy at the beginning were to take what I did on a day-to-day basis of teaching and practicing complex spine surgery and bottling it so that people could consume it worldwide on their own terms when they were ready, wherever they were on their educational journey. So to start with, I picked a topic that was close to my heart on cervical spondylosis. And I really wanted to fill out the whole curriculum, really getting into the anatomy and the imaging, understanding the pathogenesis of the problem itself, and then the non-surgical and the surgical management. And it allowed me to kind of do from soup to nuts, really one disease process. So it's been exciting getting us started. Spine Academy started out as just an idea in 2016 and really kind of hit the ground in 2019. And since then, we've rolled out a bunch of content. We've covered a really important domain with cervical spondylosis, and I've had a chance to experiment and learn from the YouTube platform to figure out what's of greatest interest to the different viewers out there. I'm so excited to be taking Spine Academy to the next level. Spine Academy is now online and live at prasadspineacademy.com. There you'll find organized, personalized resources like surgical procedures, surgical techniques, courses, and more. We've also launched an app that's available for download at both the App Store and on Google Play. If you're a spine surgeon or a spine surgeon in training, we'd invite you to join now so that you can enhance your surgical education, stay up to date on the latest literature, and become part of our growing global community.